Bia Boko.
Nene Brisbane is in there.
I don't pay me them nankaka.
Rice and light soup.
Nankada light soup, kadankaka.
And kakra. Okay.
Okay,
maybe I'm here.
Mamma comes the woman.
Okay, kakra, okay, come on.
Kakra, na akokoka kra.
Akukon Benina Nabisia. Akukon Benina Nabisia.
No, the Ajadam Kebiso.
Okay, all right.
Honors Ajadam Kebisanti. Now, my new womb.
Oh,
na salmon womb.
Hey, sister, what do we all do?
No,
I tell you.
My care,
and your friend and quite muzu. I tell you.
Yabazum Como, Yabazum Como. And this week in Ankasa, or the shutter. Watch baby for this week. Karaoke.
Join on Facebook. I Adom 106.3 FM. Join us on Facebook.
Kaya oko CZ in the moon some na up and down. Onya some kids wana. Oh, the in the yehu there at the safe in Mizuna. Often the Jafaru Mohammed. Mohammed. At the safe often the Jafaru Mohammed. Na you were 1992.
Okay.
But 1992. Was it 12 years no chance Dorian or
okay.
Or perform as a want see a chadenium tono or your talent.
Fantastic.
Or sonning in an or exhibits the talent. No,
that's right.
Brother, no, we release.
Okay.
We release a monchion car for fur.
Branya.
We release car for fur. What's that town for low battery?
Or your Wrangler now.
Or a Camry,
okay.
Or a Toyota Camry.
Okay.
Not mention that.
I'm a Rolls Phantom.
Minimum come with them in some cabby some. So, son of Bear, some mechanic. Man, obey, Capella baby, some mechanic. Men Canada. And so a Toyota Camry.
That's right.
And I deserve wired and all flounce, nature the watch your pork na when they meet to be a crack or side honor. Not my in the way invite them. No, because I don't from a honor. No, was a move menumi. Because it can crab at one from a honor. Now, my Kashatan Asemia, Ebeke de on Cherry Biana or the Shatawale Becca de Reggie Rockstone, Grandpapa na or Danodono or Danodo. Because on to honor Shatawale no, on whom be Pebia Rockstone, Wayama. Ghana hip life music. But in the 1994 na Uncle Reggie or starting.
Yeah.
But Massam Pedamacanya day. No more arguments in our cordona. Young Combra no. Uncle Reggie one casa.
Yeah, so I brought Benny.
Now say you Uncle Reggie, no breath will be much a day and some na jobs na do chocho no Twitter no. Na oye hunkakra. Into na ye nimini papa cra. Uncle Reggie no ozem. The sister na mala mahedan make ko brem na maka fifim na chede me mo wom.
Okay.
Into so what so we end up. Tune in.
I tell you.
Tune in.
I tell you.
Na phone ko Facebook.
I tell you.
Boom.
Abonko Facebook I Adom 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station Adom FM.
Boom.
That's right.
Na black eye. A pages day. A baby tum of phone. Of course Twitter. Do control there. Regina be 6 years ago, before baby 6 years.
Yeah.
Or pedo or a gang raper.
Oh no.
This is there. Mantasi. It's Uncle Regina before Fuinana or the cancer Magana. The Red Rockstone soon change him the mo. The dance lawyer them sana. Nantasi numbers are
okay.
What's done in your pay them?
Okay. Now 6-year-old, why do you even think about gun raping?
Oh yeah, there like because obiawa access to internet, obiawa access to social media, na for phone. Na kwacho as ya dam and that's obi na baka kraba for kraba onyi muhwedo no sida brent no mo bedem bia lo bohwehwe no
okay
na sanin so no ma sanin so no ma Mario de
obekin kind of graphic
onya some kakaba it's why the man on your fine na unkomenyim
Margaret Mimi Yanka says that's my girl.
Oh, it's a Mimi. Thank you so much.
That's right.
Now, Yapono. And you know Yapono only the only artist we're gonna have there. Or billing to mention Eda Ona.
Oh, them are.
Oh yeah, Yapono on your Thursday bono. Yano, Yano don't know adopt Yano.
But in the Saturday, Yapo back as a harida. On Dr. Pounds.
No,
I say, Babo sounds Yami Aduma China, right here on Adum 106.3 FM. So what is happening?
Yapo no, what's the day? We soon to be papa. Now, Nasama we soon in your day. It be chase the day. Papa Duncan Williams, Bishop, Archbishop Duncan Williams, ni issue your bay. What about Bacadabo from or year not dream honica crack. We're so nipping
was a bipolar.
We're so before was no psychiatric hospital.
Okay.
And you ma. Was not psychiatric no or a chum de none to suffer penny and the bayer was no psychiatric hospital yo. Nay yet since I had in a chede, Yalan, yes, Yakosofo.
Got you deliverance.
Yakosofo. It was there, Ghana for beyond Swiazum. And one, yen for being free.
Or suffer by a lady or the name of psychiatric hospital. But we are ready, upper so called suffer on a bumpire mouth. Nature there, what we are about. And see, say Obiara, Uncle Hospital, say Bibi Hoa. Or said okay, or said the cool suffer, or said the cool suffer. Yeah. So I said the cool doctor, or said the cool doctor. Remember your day, oh, nah, me. What the doctor, Juma come out suffer. One of them, and see, on Yapo no, what can name that? But on China, Yapo no is live on Adum FM on Dr. Pounds show. Okay, in Dana, Kojo Yafi, Yen MCA, or we are Yawi, Dana, walk 1 week celebration. Now, what's medium penny for be brave. What to one and I say, or quite support say, and despite media, my work is in a 1 week celebration. Into a was actually 4th of July. Okay. 4th of July, na oba badwas obeyno na kasa the residents na mo boso do maminge my last story be all right efia Jena window okay na najwa window ne ba na bano efia zenche ye kada sega na ha ye hwenketesia obotum akopo 1 minute papa female vocalist bad yes efia you do all na sister no why can sembia was a passion no the can some no what's the on the oil in day Ghana had day mean far will rape more frama and no raping Messia for now what punishing one who the punishment was a mono what's the punishment no socra because Oshe the like Azawayano the volume of Azawayan because obi rape wa ojibibi free besia no ona abofra no ho oluntumi nyam mani biomoda into so oshe the volume of the crime not so your punishment wasn't one onoze or kan no nkotia na nka chedo ka straight yes so be rape you be see a castrate
straight sister fear the mazono also the nakoma the papa onozo nya ya no ko ba kasa ma ho no ma wontum won kasa no cause I am the mkofia ya na wan mo ho o cheshe woni tan wontum won ba because
unfortunately the embassy na ye and the majo no for baby no she lives the rest of her life with that psychological trauma
into us there where one grave damage into others and kana kutia then call woba castrate whoever obey the mazano into black eye stories no nana mze chicho we call adu online na nyinere go missing say mama boatima ma sorry do
hey mama boatima watch in African way heavy you up you looking good in that okay this is Adum 106.3 FM yen faster than farmer yaboa for Manix herbal capsules and afi HB rich syrup.
Nana Kofi, my baby boy.
Just said you have no Bamonia G. Then the HB Rich Mujadri and Kawun and Taman Kaube Tian Krum.
HB Rich, I want Remia Kawahame Papa.
HB Rich, Mujadra, Ayamu Bia Yaran Hontono, Yen Mujaswa.